Oh, I'm just too creeped out by this. What's going on here?
Oh, usually scared. What's that? Yeah.
I'll put it on the wheels. Move it, guys. I think those are yours.
They get heavy. They both fill up. You mean two of these? Yeah. One goes in here and one goes on the deck. They fit together. Oh. 1, 2. Oh, I thought only 1, 2, 3.
Pokemon?
Yeah, kinda.
They're my son, so.
Yeah. I'm not overly interested. I was just checking them out. I used to collect them.
Yeah, he
Back in the day. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
now he's like, I don't even know what they're worth. But
Yeah, I don't either. And I don't really collect them anymore, but I was interested.
those all work.
Do they?
Yep.
How much are they?
I don't even know. That's like a 5-disc CD changer.
Yeah, is
Really
it
didn't
DVD
wanna-
or CD?
No, it's CDs.
Oh, okay.
I didn't really want to get rid of it,
Yeah.
but I don't know, like $5 a piece,
Okay.
maybe less. Chop. What if for the receivers and the CD player? Like 5 each, or?
$5.
Yeah, $5
$5 each.
They all work.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the remote for that one. That's for the receiver, and then this one doesn't have a remote. But they all work.
Would you do 10 for all 3?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
Do you want a bag for the remotes?
Yeah, if you got one.
Hi. We have our sanitizing station. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Ray, you want to help them?
Oh, that's the manual?
Yeah, that's for the box. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Lots of girl clothes. Fun. That 22-year-old right there, I still have her baby.
I'm trying to get rid of it now, I guess it sells. So there's some odd things up there. Take a 10 for the ping flag and the club.
I'll think about it.
As far as the uniforms going, they use hair on all the streets. I'll even throw in the rest of those clubs in there.
10, you said?
10 for the whole bag. And I'll throw all those clubs in there too.
These ones?
Yep. All the clubs down there. Those are more. I didn't hear you.
Those are more what?
I think those. I bought those. Actually, inside that bag, there's a bunch of wooden. I bought that for my daughter, and she would stand out here. There's plastic golf balls in there,
Okay.
and I would throw in those clubs too. All the clubs in the bag, and all the clubs. All the clubs. Know anybody with a little girl?
A couple people.
I have everything from
Well, I have 2 of them.
baby, all the way up to teenager. She was very. Oh, somebody's looking at something. Hi. Lots of girl stuff though.
Okay.
I
All
guess.
nice clothing too. A lot of it's through 21. My one girl was like, she wouldn't go to the thrift store. And the rest of us, my niece was like, does she even belong in our family?
You change for a 20?
I do.
How much is the jersey?
I would do it for 5. Change for 20. What did I say?
10.
10. There you
No, wait, you said $1. No, just kidding.
Yeah, right. 10. Pull it on out. There you go.
Alright. So that's all these and the ones down
Yep,
there.
and the ping bag and everything.
Alright.
Good luck. Have
Time to
fun.
start golfing.
That's what you get when you have kids and they're like, I
Change.
want to do this. I want to do that.
Change your hobbies by the week.
Yes, she does. I do. I have a lot of good quality clothing.
Yeah,
All
this is nice.
These are all Hollister, Route 21, quality jeans. I spent a lot of money on clothing that.
Yeah.
How much is the clothes?
That depends. So I'm doing like this. That's Baby Gap.
Morning.
Okay.
A pushing bag.
Yes, all right.
And a stationary bike.
Yeah, I like that.
It'll be for sale too. Yeah, we want more land and our neighbors. I really love our neighbors, but we just can't do what we want to do with our neighbors.
They live in turn her down.
Oh yeah.
How much on the hat?
You know, Miss Vicky.
Or any of the hats, really?
$2, man.
$2? What kind of stationary bike you got?
Who's Vicky?
Miss Vicky, older lady.
What is this?
Works at Robert Orthopedic Surgery Center. She's a nurse. She stays out there with us. So.
Yeah.
she
No, I
wanted-
don't know that. I don't know that name.
Yeah, I'll do $2 on this hat. That's nice. Where'd you get it?
My dad brought it from Germany.
It's cool, yeah.
So that's the pushing bag that we're selling too.
Okay.
And the yellow fiction in there right here.
Oh, I'm just too creeped out by this. What's going on here?
Oh, usually scare kids.
Oh, this is like kind of cool. It's old. How much you looking for on that? Does it work? Yeah, it works. Oof. That's nifty. Yeah, I don't know. How much?
Probably about 120.
Oh, wow. I didn't know they go for that much. You got a whole
They go
gym
higher
set up,
than
huh?
that. Yeah. So these, they work, but some of them sometimes don't come out all the way. But
Okay.
Sell it.
Yeah.
Sell that too if you want.
How much are those?
20.
20 for both?
The whole set?
Oh, for the whole set? Yeah, I mean, I would do that. I've been wanting one. I had one, you know.
Oh yeah.
The
So
old
you
one,
know-
remember the old like square one, the
Right,
rectangle?
right,
I
yeah.
had that and I gave it to my friend
Yeah.
because he really wanted one and he couldn't find one, so I was like, eh. But yeah, for $20, I'd take that.
Want it?
Yeah, I've been wanting one, yeah. Okay, so 20 and then 2. Or maybe I can find a little more to spend because I got a 5. Let's see, what else you got? Is this stuff for sale or this is just working on your bike?
Yeah, working on
Working on your bike.
yeah.
I'll buy the motor, yeah.
Yeah, you can buy the motorcycle actually if you want.
I would kill myself. I cannot be trusted on something like that. Yeah, does it roll?
Yeah, it rolls.
That's alright. Is Chucky for sale? Chucky?
I would like you just to take him, but I don't think that would be allowed.
No, not for sale. Not for free. How else can you give kids nightmares without a Chucky? Oh, I gotta. Look at this. This is service. I can push it over. I gotta pay you still.
Okay.
Let me give you. Let's see if I have any singles.
What are you charging for that?
20.
Okay.
And then he said 2 for the hat.
Okay.
These things never been used. These kitchen things.
No, they never been used. Still in the plastic.
Kind of nice. Oh yeah, cool.
Bunch of ones in here.
You're not gonna do. Oh yeah, you said you had a smoker in your ad, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I do.
What kind of smoker are you selling?
You want to see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. You want to know how much?
I got a.
You what?
Oh here. Here, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna go look at the smoker real quick.
Okay.
I was telling her so she wouldn't resell the stuff I bought. This, I mean, so it's just too crowded? You want out?
Yeah.
I mean, these houses are awesome though. Like huge houses.
We want, more land to have chickens and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
I learned a subdivision like this, people still have chickens.
Well, we just still got chickens too, but yeah.
Oh wow, you got the whole setup.
Yeah, well, I got.
Should have worn my smoking shirt. Dang.
This is a smoke hollow.
Oh wow.
Just need to be cleaned up a little bit, but
Your Weber cover's seen some
Oh, yeah.
use, huh?
I had those for a long time, and they still work actually.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's cool. So what is that? What kind of smoking does it do? Is it direct feed? Is it stick burner?
No,
Okay.
it's gas, propane.
it's-
Well, you can put, wood chips at the bottom.
Huh. Yeah, that looks like mine.
But you can see, as you see, you got wood chip at
Wow.
the bottom.
How much you looking for on that?
Maybe $50.
It just looks so heavy.
It's actually light.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
$50? I don't even know what these go for, but I've never had one like this.
Brand new, they're like 500.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do $50.
Alright.
I mean, I've got a pellet right now, but it'd
Oh,
be
yeah.
cool to have like a different style.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. And it works fine.
Oh yeah. Works fine, man.
I'm here to.
Like I said, you just gotta clean it up, man.
Yeah. I've been there, done that. Okay, so we might need a team lift on this one.
Or it should be, you'll see it, it's the only cover out.
I can actually just pull up, so we don't have to walk that far.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me do that.
Alright.
Yeah, that looks good. I'll put that in the truck so it doesn't fly away. All right, well, thank you. Just finished a few yard sales and wanted to show you the stuff I got. All right, so at that first yard sale I went to, I got three items. I got this Bowflex Select Tech system, which is like a weightlifting system, this hat, and a smoker. The smoker I've already cleaned out. It was really quite disgusting. So I kind of gave it a really good bath. I mean, these things never look perfect, but at least you can see through the window now. You know, and the inside is much, much cleaner. It smells amazing. Definitely has some good food cooked in it. And so yeah, I paid $50 for the smoker. I don't know if it was the best buy. It was early in the morning, and you know, it struck on the I love to smoke meat bone of my body. And so I bought it for $50. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace for $180. We'll see if I can get it. Haven't had any bites yet, but I'm sure I can get more than $50 for it because it works. I tested it. These things are just worth a ton right now. I don't think I'm going to sell it all. My wife wants to keep the weights, so I'll probably just part it out. It looks like this is going for $150 to $200 on eBay. I'll probably sell it local for $100, so I don't have to ship it. And then this bottom part also can be parted out, which you don't really need to use the weight, so I'm tempted to part that out as well. Looks like it sells for like $50, $60 on eBay. So I should be able to get $160 out of those two pieces and free weights, which is excellent. So yeah, 100 profit on that, maybe 130 profit on that. 18 profit on this. Pretty good. After that, I went to this yard sale where they had some golf clubs. I don't ever buy golf clubs. I've never bought golf clubs, but they were very insistent, so I bought these. Since I own them, I had to Google them and look on eBay and all that. This bag actually has some sold comps, 80 to 120 bucks. It's a little stained and a little beat up, so I don't know what I can get for it. I figure I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace because I don't want to ship it, and see if someone makes me an offer. Additionally, I got these clubs. These ones were in the garage. They weren't part of it originally, but she threw them in because, you know, she really wanted it gone. These are called Ping I-20s, and they're blue dot, which apparently all means something. I don't really know. Like, they've got some tape here. I don't know what that means. I don't know anything about golf clubs. Maybe that's some extra weight. Who knows? I looked up blue dot Ping I-20s, though, and it seems like they sell for a lot. Like, some of them 200 bucks, 300 bucks. Now, I think the kind of stick it has makes a difference. This is temper something, True Temper. So I don't know. I'm gonna list those for 200 bucks and see if someone buys them. I'll do best offer because I have no idea what they're worth. So maybe someone will offer me 50 and I'll take it. But it's 9 of them. I know 8 of them. Then these, like, I looked up comps for these. They seem like they're all trash. They're Spalding. I guess I could look up this one. I didn't look it up. Mizuno and Wilson. I looked up all the Spaldings, but not those two. So I'll look up those ones. The Spaldings seem like they're worth very little. So anyway, I spent 10 bucks on that whole golf set. I'm feeling like I can at least get 100 out of all of it. Maybe even 200-300. We'll see. Maybe by the time I post this, I'll have an update. Went to another yard sale. They did not have much there. They had some Pokemon cards that were really new, and I don't think the new ones are worth very much. I did find these 3 pieces of stereo equipment, 2 amps, and a 5-disc changer. They're not great buys. I looked them up. This Pioneer looks like it's worth about 40. CD changer's worth about 40 plus shipping. And then this Pioneer looks like it's close to 70, 80. So I'm listing all those plus shipping. Hopefully I can actually sell them. If I can, you know, 40, 80, 120, 140. Yeah, so a decent money out of 10 bucks. Just about doing the work. So yeah, that's kind of the yard sales of the day. Spent around 100 bucks, a little less than 100 bucks. Should be able to bring in 600-700 bucks once it all sells. So I'd say it was a pretty profitable day. A little bit of harder work because I got to sell some of it local. I really actually prefer selling on eBay. It's a lot easier because I can just ship it out and I don't have to meet people. But yeah, hopefully 500, 600, 700 bucks. So thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time. Make sure you subscribe.